Hey guys, so last night we had our first trial run of trying to get our son Fatih off the breast milk, and it didn't go quite as planned. Sort of kept me and Fina up all night, well mostly Fina anyways. So I sort of decided to prepare dinner for us tonight. The menu for tonight will be a variety of mixed fish cakes and also some noodles. And for our son Fatih, I'll be frying up some chicken strips and some fries. Hope they enjoy it. So yeah. So as you guys can see, it's all quite simple ingredients. For my son, basil, garlic and parmesan flavoured chips, which is quite nice. Also the southern style chicken strips. And also we got, for me and Fina, a mixed variety of fish cakes, some bok choy and some meat. So yeah, quite simple, but hopefully it turns out delicious. Oiled water, obviously. Filled with a bit of oil for my son's chicken strips and chips. So I'm going to add some of this fish cake first. Scissors. Can I put this section of the packet? Probably won't be eating all that tonight, but there's stuff for later. In goes the fish cakes.
Oh no! Oh no 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 no!
Oops.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no 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 no!
Yeah, so I guess that's enough for one more serving later. I did say not all of it. There is still some left. And now chop some of the bok choy. Just fine pieces like that. And we add that to the bowl. Yeah, we'll let that boil for a little bit and then add the bok choy and then add our noodles. So yeah, now our oil's ready for the fries. Hopefully I don't set the kitchen on fire. Whoa! Woo! Nearly! So, as you can see, there's quite a fair bit for just my son Fatih, but I'll help him out a little bit. Guys, I think I've come across what could be the biggest chip I've ever seen in my life. Look at the size of that. That is the first time I've ever seen a packet of chips that big. That's mine. I decided to add an extra ingredient for my son's menu for dinner tonight. Yeah, I've got some cherry tomatoes for him. Then I'll wash it. And also chop it into halves. Just easier for him to eat. I'm pretty sure he enjoys cherry tomatoes. I've seen him eat it a few times. Hopefully he enjoys them again tonight with his meal. I think that should be enough. Just plate this up for him. There you go. Hopefully he gets his attention and enjoys it like he did last time. I'm pretty sure he enjoyed it. Looks like our fish cakes are ready. Just draining them out and we'll put them into the bowl. So I have fish cakes in the shape of hearts. It's cool. Do we have our fish cakes? And I think I might have just added too much water, so I'm going to drain it out a little bit. Whoa, that's hot. Watch out. Now to add our noodles. This is the first time trying these noodles. It's tool time for Mr. Fatih. So as I was saying, this is the first time us trying this noodles. called Super Bihun Instant. Supposedly it's a top brand from 2012 to 2013. Hopefully it is, as it says on the packet, top brand. So it looks like our chips are ready. Let that paper towel soak the oil. Oh no, the big chip is cut in half. No. Just share it for Mr. Fatih. And now to add chicken strips. Just going to go one by one. That should be enough. And it looks like our noodles are almost ready, considering they're quite thin noodles. So I'm going to be adding the bok choy now. Are you hungry, all of them? Huh, Fatih? Are you hungry? Yes, Baba. Huh? Are you hungry? Yeah? No. 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 I know, all of them. Daddy's making dinner for you. And now that we have our bok choy and noodles ready, we put our fish cakes back into the pot. Mix it around a little bit. Strips seem to be done now. Side. Okay. Now we're going to also turn off the stove for the fish cake noodles and add the flavouring. So we have seasoning and chili powder. And final mix. Oh, that really does smell good. Have it, ladies and gentlemen. Fish cake à la noodle and chicken strip à la potatoes with cherry tomato. So yeah, dinner is served. Time for us to dig in. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also share our content whenever you can. Hopefully the family enjoys it tonight as well. Good night, guys. Can I call it? Is it nice? You like it? Yummy!
Yay! Thank you, Baba.
That's okay, baby. Sama-sama.
Kelihatannya enak nih. Lumayan, nggak perlu masak buat dinner.
Sudah lagi?
Sudah dulu. Thank you.
Sama-sama.
Capek. Enak, Fatih? Nyam-nyam?
Apa?
Enak.
Ya?
Enak ternyata.
We have great success.
Yeay. Selamat, Ba. Selamat.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Hope you enjoyed the video.